you know what? Maybe this time the sudo version is vulnerable, right? How do I sudo minus version 1.8? I think the 1.8 one is the one that's not vulnerable. Sudo 1.8. Oh, maybe I should have read the entire version. 27. Oh, let's grab this. And let's say 1.8.27 exploit. Maybe that's the one that's vulnerable. Security bypass. Linux exploit. Fantastic. The question is, do I have to be a member of the sudoers group to do so? Okay, let's try it. This is Python 3. So let's go in here and let's win exploit.py. So this is only the third exploit so far. I don't have a password. I hoped I could do this without password. New sudo vulnerability. Now, so this stream's essentially is boiling down to me trying different kinds of exploits until one hits. Okay, so let's try to do a core dumped thing. Man, I need the sudo edit s. Okay, we're gonna try if we can hack sudo. I doubt it. I highly doubt it. But it can't be that hard, man. Look at this. Our kernel is like version 4 or something like that. That should be like instantly hackable. So why can't I find any Linux or let's go for exploits? Yeah. I mean, this should be like the easiest thing known to mankind. Let's go with this exploit suggest a script. Maybe that can suggest me what I should run instead of me trying everything by hand. All right. Oh, I think that's what's called, what the linkeys runs. Back to square one, I guess. Let's get the enum log and see what we have inside this enum log. Let's start from the top, make it drop. I mean, let's go to this one, right? Is it all or sudo lower then? You know what? I think in the end, it's gonna be dirty cow anyway. You know what? Now we try a different approach. Instead of getting lost on some tangent that's not gonna resolve into anything useful, we're just gonna see what we found. And then maybe we note down what's interesting about it, and then we will take a look at it instead of like doing this back and forth for failed tries. All right? Okay, so let's add our unlock, or what is it? Oh, not head, sorry. Okay, now this looks like shit. We're just gonna cat it again. I just wanted a way to like cat it and jump to the head so that we get this nice output, but from the top and not from the bottom. All right, I don't think we found some interesting things. Okay, so I think we can pass all these exploits. They don't do anything. We have app armor is unconfined and seccomp is disabled. So SA Linux doesn't also seem to be here. So we have free reign to hack into this machine if we find a way to do so. Please don't be a cron job. Don't be a cron job and everything is fine. So Apache is started by root, but I don't know how we could exploit that one. Maybe we can do something with the Postgre, because Postgre seems to be hackable. I just don't know how. I mean, the simplest thing would to just be sudo PSQL. Oh, we need the password for Penelope. Maybe we have PSQL db cross. Okay, so sorry, it's a big U. We have to find a way into this user. And as we found out before, it's not this credentials, right? So it would be too easy if those would work in here. Maybe I just paste the password like this. Okay, no, I'm just gonna get asked anyway. That's not the way to go, but we need to find a way to get access to something. I'm losing my mind here. I mean, maybe we have to go the opt route again, where we have to hack something in the opt. I'm so unsure. But this Postgre thing running as root, I mean, you know what? Maybe we have it in here somewhere as well. And it looks like we found something here. PG. So the DB name is oh, look at this firewall thing. Or this user thing has PG Connect. So let's open this up. Let's go to PG. Okay, here we have one. We have user www. Okay, so this sounds basically like somebody that. So I'm not sure this is like an interesting user for us. Let's do the search again. So we have Unix NSS. No idea what that's supposed to mean. We have Unix user IMGR. Maybe this sounds like something interesting. I just don't know what NSS stands for. www stands for the website, and this user manager thing may stand for something important. So let's go with PSQ and this one, right? Something like that. Maybe we also just try to connect to the Unix DB, and the password is. So the Unix database is from here, and the password is this one. We need to talk to you. Now you're trying to talk with me, right? How is this not working? How? ESQL help. Do we have to set the host as well? How is this not working, please? Why don't you default to the local host anyways? And then show tables. Wait. Postgre has the weird syntax. Postgre show. Because why have a command called show tables if you can just have \dt? Okay, we have a passwd table and we have a shadow table and user groups and the group table. Let's take a look at the passwd table. Select star from passwd. We have a Trisha, which is in a jail. But you know what? Oh, okay, now, okay. So this one is essentially the database for, oh, come on, why did I log out? I want to explain stuff and not get logged out of stuff. So we log in here, we go into this here and hope that it works. All right, we have the user management. So we have this Trisha. We just add a Zanidd, and this is my credentials. So let's grab this, and then it's in. We paste it in here, so we have it for later on. If I'm correct, why does it now want to end something? Everything's all right. If we select again, we have a Zanidd. Now, we have to, we could set our user to be part of the sudoers group, right? I hope it works with this group ID over here. So find out sudo on Linux. Okay, maybe we just do etc groups. How do I exit here? Exit. Okay, let's see, group, and we grab the sudo, and then we have number 27. And now we go back into the database. What was the password? We first of all, we need the password again. It's not this one. Now paste in the password, paste in enter, we're in. We select star from, what was it? Password something. Okay, and now we do some SQL magic, and we don't care about the password or something like that anymore. We cracked it, Krish. What we're trying to do now is, essentially we found out that sudo has the group 27. We created a user, and now we know the password of that user via the web. And now we're just update, what is it called again? Passwd table set give equals 27, where UID equals 2020. And now, if everything is correct, Zanidd should be part of the sudoers group, right? Okay, let's get our creds for Zanidd, which are this one. Now, let's SSH as Zanidd to Red Cross with our password here. Okay, sudo worked. Let's go in interact mode. And we are root. We are root. Fantastic. And we have the root txt in here, and boom, we've got the root flag.